Hello homeowners, I'm Evan James, Warranty Coordinator for Long Built Homes.
And Gordon Cruz, Warranty Technician.
We're going to show you the problems with your smoke detectors, how to change the batteries on them, and how to blow them out and clean them out. If you have a problem with the smoke detector and one of them is going off at 3 o'clock in the morning, it's not my fault, I promise you. It's usually dust, humidity, and insects that can cross across this photoelectric beam. The way to find the problem child is to look for the blinking red light. The one that is causing the problem will be flashing rapidly. Once you locate it, aha, it is here. I'm going to take it down and disconnect it. Once you disconnect it, all the other ones will silence. This one will continue because it has the battery inside it. Simply open it up, take the battery out, and this one will silence. We're going to show you how to change the battery on the photoelectric smoke detector.
And the carbon monoxide smoke detector.
To take the battery out, you simply lift it up. There's a little tab here. Pull the tab, battery comes right out.
This one here is just a simple push of the little button there. Grab it and slip it out.
Reinserting the battery. This can get a little tricky. The positive side goes on this side, the negative side goes on this side. It lists it on this little label here. You have to pop this piece down to pop the battery back into place. You also want to leave that little tab there so that you can actually lift it out again. Once you get it inside, you can close it right down. You're good to go.
This one here, you don't even have to take it down because this is on the outside face of the smoke detector combo. Pop it in and pop it down.
Push test button.
It will tell you to push test button, which you do. It resets it. You can keep your thumbs over it to keep the noise from your ears. You're ready to go.
If you look at the homeowner's manual, it says that you should clean out your smoke detectors monthly. We're realistic. We know you're probably not going to do it monthly, so I recommend doing it every 6 months. If you have a problem child, if this is the one that was going off during the middle of the night and you have the battery out, it's easy to use compressed air for keyboards. All you do is you spray all inside here and then inside these little slats right here.
This one here, very simply do the same on the back and flip it around to the front and you'll be able to put them back up and stay safe.
Never take a can of compressed air and flip it upside down. This spray is liquid nitrogen, which is not good for electronics. If you want some good reading on the back of the photoelectric and also on the back of the carbon monoxide detector, there is some information listed there. On the customer walk, we also give you this sheet that says smoke alarms on it. It says when the units are interconnected, only the red LED of the alarm, which is sensing the smoke or is being tested, will flash rapidly. That is the key ingredient here. If you hear them going off at 3 o'clock in the morning, you have to look around and find the one that is flashing rapidly. That is the one you want to disconnect to make all the other ones silence.